Now, look, my husband. Now he's planting what? What are you going to? What you are planting now, honey?
I'm planting patatas.
The patatas.
Yeah.
Yeah. How many you put in under soil?
I think 70.
One piece.
Huh?
One piece.
Yeah.
Okay.
Always.
Yan. Ganyan lang po ang pagtanim ng patatas. Yan. Now, honey. Oh, now this is the third line. Right, honey? Yeah, the third line of our patatas, guys. Ayan. And then, later, he's going to plant also the celery and what else, honey?
Oh.
Opor.